Guys, undercut guys. Ha ha ha. Okay. Bismillah. Wow, goodbye. Goodbye, my dear. Tarara. Undercut. Bismillah. Nice you remove this one. Why? Because too much curly down. Not good. I love you, you love me. Oh, clean. Nice. Mashallah. Now clean na guys. But in 1 week is coming. Okay?
Alice, I love you.
I love you too.
I love you.
You like me?
Yes.
Too much?
Yes.
Aywa.
Make me happy.
Aywa.
I love you.
I love you, madam. Madam Helen. What's your name, Helen?
Yes, Eden.
Yeah. She's very happy because I cut undercut
Yeah,
and
very
color.
I'm very happy with him.
Wala?
He's very good.
Yeah.
Love you, Danita. I love you.
What you tell me now, madam? Nice.
I love you.
I love you too. 3 times a day. Wow, haircut na. Oh, undercut.
Thank you so much, dear.
I love you.
Love you too.
Aywa. Oh, like this. Okay. And put the Vaseline like this.
Okay, dear.
Yes, guys. Pareho na kami, guys. Dito, guys. So, undercut, guys. Okay. You see my hair now. Me and Madam Helen. Okay. Don't move, mom. Because she see my undercut. Yes.
Yeah.
Twins. Twins na. Ayan, see? Oh. Okay, don't move. Yeah. And tadaray. Oh.
Line.
Okay, line. Undercut. Taray.